Stefan Müller. I'm the business manager, Altanium hot runner controllers for Europe, and I'm happy to introduce you to our new expanded family of Neo 2 hot runner controllers. We started 1 year ago with the Compact 6, Compact 12 and Compact 24 hot runner controller with high premium features for the basic hot runner controllers, and we expanded that family to 48 zones in the meantime, and we're getting some great feedback from the visitors of that show so far. I would like to introduce you to our new Neo 2 Altanium family. The Altanium family consists of a Compact 6, a Compact 12, a Compact 24, and was just recently expanded by up to 48 zone controller here in the back to the right. We also have a remote display that can be used instead of the integrated controller interface, just in case the customer would like to hide the controller somewhere and have the remote display close to the machine HMI. We are offering all the premium features that a big controller is offering these days, and at a low, very low entry price. So what we see here is that we can really offer 8 languages right off the screen for every Neo 2 controller. You just have to touch one of these buttons and the display language is completely changed. We also do mold setups. Up to 24 mold setups can be stored directly on the unit, while the USB stick allows to expand that indefinitely and use mold setup files on laptops and PCs that can be stored there as a backup. We also have a security level 0, 1 and 2, just to make sure that no changes are done which are not expected or not desired during production. So we can really reduce the access for the operator, for the administrator, for the process engineer as wished. We also can do a system setup and can choose between basic and advanced features just depending on the skill level of the operators. We can change the temperatures between Fahrenheit and Celsius. We can even read the kilowatt hours right off the screen, so that means for every lot of production you can really take away the kilowatt hours that the system had been used during production. The mold test is a very nice feature and very powerful feature for the customer who is having the mold in the maintenance section, and before he goes back to production on the machine he would like to check if all the wiring and all the fuses and all the thermocouples are correct, are not broken or pinched. So he can do a mold test with that kind of stuff. He can get results like that to show if all the ground faults, the thermocouples, the fuses and the wiring is correct. If the wiring was mixed up by accident, it even offers a software rewiring to make sure that production can start right away and that the mold has not to be taken off the machine again for rewiring. Besides that, we can print all the data, all the zone data, the mold test data and the error log, which can be printed to the USB stick and added to a project file. We have alarm status that we can show, so all the alarms are listed here and it can be exported to the USB stick as well. So all the rest is very close to what the premium segments have to offer, like our Matrix controller, and we're using the same kind of ART technology, the active reasoning technology, to analyze every individual zone during startup in the beginning of each new mold setup to really identify the right PID values for every zone. With that system, we are also building pairs of zone which are having the same PID algorithm to make sure that if one zone loses the thermocouple during production, we use our auto slaving to hook up to the other thermocouple and go on with production without any failure. We also can do manual slaving. We can also do percentage power output. So as said, we are offering all the features that a premium segment is offering.